Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Techno Hacks. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to sign up for Pokemon Go. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To sign up for Pokemon Go, first make sure that you've downloaded the application on your mobile device. If not, simply go to your Play Store and search for Pokemon Go in the search box. And once you perform your search, download this application that says Pokemon Go from Niantic Inc. Once you download and install the application, tap on the play button in order to open up your Pokemon Go application. In order to sign up for Pokemon Go, first go ahead and enter your date of birth. Select your birthday year, day, and month from the options and tap on submit. Select if you are a returning player or a new player. Since we are trying to sign up in today's video, let's tap on new player option. From the options displayed on the screen, select any one option in order to sign up for your Pokemon Go account. You can choose your Facebook account to create an account, your Google account, or the Pokemon Trainer Club. If you want to choose the quickest way to sign up for Pokemon Go, you can select either Facebook or the Google account option. If you want to create an email and password for your account, then you can select the Pokemon Trainer Club option. Now, on the next page, tap on Create One Here button right under No Pokemon Trainer Club Account. Soon after you do that, open it up with a web browser of your choice. On the next page, you need to verify your age. Type in your date of birth into the date of birth text box, give it a tap and select from the calendar. And once you select your date of birth, tap Set. Select your country or your region from the drop down and tap the Continue button. Now, create a username for yourself. Type in the username you'd like to use for your Pokemon Go account and check the availability by tapping on Check Availability. Once you type in your username, head over to the next field and type in a password that you would like to set for your Pokemon Go account. Confirm the password by retyping it again and enter your email address in the next field. Once you enter the email address that you have an access to, confirm the email by retyping it again. And if you'd like to receive emails, updates from the Pokemon Company International regarding news and information, news and updates, make sure you check these boxes over here, make your selection and scroll all the way down and tap on this I accept the Pokemon.com terms of use button. Scroll all the way down again and tap on I'm not a robot and finally tap the Continue button. After you click on the Continue button, scroll down on the next page, go through the Niantic's terms of service and check this little box beneath that says I have read and agreed to the Niantic terms of service for the Pokemon Go apps and tap Continue. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to see that you've created your Pokemon Trainer Club account or you've signed up for your Pokemon Go account. Now you'll need to verify your email address, so simply go ahead and open up the email associated with the email address that you just typed in for Pokemon Go and open up the Pokemon customer service email that you received. Verify your email by tapping on Verify Your Email button and open it up with a web browser and you'll be able to verify your email address. You can now simply go ahead and open up the Pokemon Go game and in the sign in area, type in your username and then your password on the next field. After you enter your username and your password, tap the sign in button and you'll be able to sign up for a new Pokemon Go account. Allow necessary permission by tapping Allow in the pop-up and start playing your Pokemon Go. Tap the Continue button and you'll be able to play your Pokemon game right away. That is how it can be done. I hope you learned how to sign up for Pokemon Go. If the video helped you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.